Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Real quick tip. I've been getting a lot of these questions lately. Scissor oil. I just have a little bottle of it. You can buy sewing machine oil at any hobby store. It's cheap. It'll last you probably forever. And then I just put a little dot down in this corner here. See, not much at all. Close the scissor. Feels a lot better. Spreads itself out. If you want, like if you're not going to be using your scissors for a little bit, going on vacation, put a little bit on the blade, take your finger, be careful, and wipe it down. Especially for mobile groomers or any shop that's very humid, that will help as well. And that's pretty much it. I don't like having too much oil on the blade, so just wipe it down. But like I said, if you're going on vacation, keep the oil on there, and then when you get back, just wipe it off, and your scissors should not have any rust or anything with them, and they'll feel smooth. Have a good day. Bye.